So just abnormous case here. Have a look at this candle. What on earth is that?
So guys, welcome back to my new video, and today we start a global free education for beginners on binary options trading. So enjoy watching and watch this video till the end. There's gonna be a lot of useful information. We'll try it in practice and I'll be showing you how it all works. So I decided to start with a candle analysis. It's a really useful tool that helps me not once while trading on binary options, and we have a huge amount of different candle patterns. And what's a candle pattern? Well, it's a particular model that's followed by either fall or reverse or trend continuation accordingly. So there are such cases repeating each time, and they're really alike, and we can prognose growth or fall thanks to them. Okay, and all of that is quite simple. Today we start with one candle pattern, and we'll try it on theoretical part and show it on practice. And each video will be dedicated to one particular pattern, and for your comfort I'll create a playlist with education and a playlist with global education topic, each topic accordingly. And today we observe one candle pattern. It's engulfing, and the engulfing may appear in two ways, a bear and bull engulfing. So they're really similar candle patterns, but they are, mirrored. One thing is having a bull engulfing, and another thing is having a bear one. So it's not hard to guess that after bull engulfing pattern there's a growth coming, and after bear one it's a fall coming. Hence the name. Let's observe what are those patterns, guys, and which main characteristics and differences they have. Look, bull engulfing. Here it is. First of all, you need to understand it's a trend reverse pattern. When we have an uptrend like here, for example, there was an uptrend for a long time, but then something happens, some pattern, and right here there's a particular candle pattern as well, and there's a reverse, so bear trend starts. Short terms one, as now we'll look at the 1 minute chart. So we need to understand that bear engulfing is a candle pattern located at the very bottom, as the fall finishes at this pattern and growth starts. So let's observe an example. Look, there is a bull engulfing here as well, but it's not a classical one. We had fall, and then the fall finished, a pattern generated, growth at the very bottom starts. So bear engulfing is conversely at the very top or on some local peak. So here's a good example. We see the chart growing, and the pattern is a bear engulfing. The chart falls a little. So there's a growth here as well, and the bear pattern engulfing is being generated here at the top. The chart goes down. Same thing here. You should understand that somewhere in the middle, right here or here, there's no point in looking for some patterns, as they mean trend reverse. So when we see a bull engulfing, if we look at it closely, bull engulfing consists of two candles. It's a red falling candle, and after that a green one, which is engulfing the red one. So look, its size is much more bigger than the red one, and the red candle is small and the green one is big, hence the name engulfing, as the green candle is engulfing the red candle. And here we see the same thing, guys. We have a green candle and a red one, and the red one, we see that clearly it's much bigger in size, and it's engulfing the candle. Well, that's not actually a single example of such engulfing, guys. There are many variations, and we may have candles with tails, with upward or downward tails, but the main thing is that the body of the candle being either the same or bigger. So here we see bear engulfing, and the body of the bear's candle is bigger than the body of the bull's one. And here vice versa, the body of the bull candle is bigger than the bear's candle. A really simple pattern, guys. Let's look for it as a chart and try to trade. So we open any chart, it doesn't matter which one, and it's a weekend, and we have OTC pairs, and we see that. Okay, we look for those engulfing bear and bull ones only at the top or at the bottom of the chart, and let's focus on it. we see local minimums of price decreasing and the bear candles being generated and the bull one as well. Okay, just look at how bull's candle bigger than the bear's one, its size. So it's a pattern called bear engulfing generated, and after that there's a growth, and we could notice that earlier. We have a particular growth, and as you can see, then such pattern is being formed, bear engulfing, and there's a red candle here, and its size is almost the same as the green one. It's engulfing the green candle, and after that a fall starts. Yep, not right away, not from the first candle, but still. I recommend you to practice it to open charts and similar patterns. Look for them. There are actually a lot of them, guys, but we're starting with this one today. So let's move to practice and open a few deals so we can keep this information in mind. So we have less than 10 seconds left to the deal's closure, and look, we have a pattern bear engulfing here. There's a green candle and a huge red one that fully engulfs this green candle, and as I've already said, the fall may start not right away. As we see, there are two rising candles here, and I found out that the third candle is already weak enough and opened the deal with lower on the third candle, and we earned, and here's the pattern. It's working its fall out now. So everything's clear here. The bull engulfing is proceeding here. Conversely, we have a downtrend as where bottoms are red and green candles are being formed, and the green one is bigger than red, and right now the deal is supposed to be closed in a profit. Yes, fine, the following green candle is not very confident though, of course, but anyway, it's green, it's rising, we open it at the very beginning and we earn on a growth. So here's just an enormous case, and this is because the red candle is just insanely huge. It's engulfing not only the last but also pre-last and pre-last, and you see usually candle pattern in such moment work the best way. So we open a deal with lower, not thinking more, guys, and wait for another red candle. So the deal is almost over, and we opened two deals to cover the expenses. As I've already said in the beginning, the growth patterns and fall patterns do not always work themselves out right away, but the pattern is a bull one. We see that the next candle is closed as green, but the pattern is bull one, as I've already said, and the fall starts. It may continue till the very bottom or do not proceed at all, but the main thing is that the red candle was formed after this one and we earned on it, and we opened the deal and it's beginning. So guys, I hope the topic was clear for you, and the first lesson on candle patterns is over, and we examined both theory and practice, and I think this is how education must look like, must be took, must work. So share this video with your friends and learn how to make money together. Binary options is such an effective and accessible way of earning for each of you, and learning how to trade with such a professional as me would be much more easier for you. Guys, don't forget that you can get 50 and more free signals a day. To do that, you need to go to my Telegram channel, following the link in the description, and subscribe. And the link to Pocket Option platform is in the description as well. So go there, sign up, and try your knowledge on practice. So that's it for today, guys. And don't say goodbye for long, as the next video will be observing the next pattern on the same scenario. So see you soon in the next video. But before you go, a quick reminder just for you. If you're a beginner, if you're not really good at trading and binary options, I recommend you to watch the video right here. And if you want to start trading with profitable signals that have already been tested, go to my Telegram channel and watch the video about trading with my signals right there. And if you want to be aware of the most profitable and reliable strategies, watch the video right here. And that's it. Bye!